Fc12, Chapter 12, Raw Food Living, a new platform for communication and relationships. Health Talks. Our entire body is a living and intelligent organism of millions of cells communicating with each other and with us. One unhealthy cell affects all other cells, and one healthy cell shares health with the other cells, as all are connected with each other. They communicate with us through expansion and contraction, comfort and pain. We can observe the color of our skin. We can feel the calmness and the tension. We can experience their state of well-being communicating through odors. And we can see our body shape changing into a strong and healthy one, or seeing our body going out of shape and showing endless messages in the form of discomfort, signs, symptoms, and disease. Everything we think and say is a result of how we communicate with our body, how we take care of it, and how we think and speak with our body or about it. Just as we affect others with how and what we say and vice versa, it is the same how and with what we feed our body, which is a form of communication. Are we conscious of what we put into our mouth, feeding every cell, or not? Is there not a difference having a conscious parent or an unconscious one? We give ourselves the best food that brings them life, or we just fill up, and they have to work overtime, trying to do whatever is possible with it and depleting their life. So we have many ways we communicate with every cell, then the cell communicating with each other, and then again they communicating with us, letting us know if they are okay or not. When we still would be sensitive, we would detect every imbalance the body cell sends out through their endless messages. In fact, when we look at what we say and do to our body, and how and what we feed it with, we must state that there is a very poor quality and very poor positive communication. Now imagine having the cleanest body on the outside as well as on the inside. A body with almost no pollution inside, no chemicals and additives that entered with the food we ate, no cooked foods, processed and animal flesh that leave lots of waste behind, and no crystallizations coming forth from waste sitting too long inside and not getting cleaned out of the body. Imagine our body cells feeling taken care of. All the communication coming forth from them would not have to be messages of warnings, pains and discomfort, but we would experience something so healthy and vital that would result in positive and healthy communication in every aspect of life. Pure, clean and conscious words can only come from a clean and conscious body and mind. Raw food and conscious living can contribute in this positive and healthy communication, and will also create a new platform in our worldly communication, where we will be talking about the quality of food, where to get it, and how to prepare it. We are talking and communicating about one of the most important subjects of life, the nourishment of our body and mind, and when this is not on the priority list, suffering will be an automatic result. It is the same with not having a proper communication between partners, which is also one of the most important things on the list. So why not adding something great to communicate about, and a new positive activity between the partners? We either do not communicate at all, do not communicate well, as not many of us have learned proper and effective communication, constantly complain, or we talk about the things in life where we have little as no influences on, but we definitely have an influence on our personal life and that of each other. When we haven't started yet a family or want to change something in our existing family, we can start raising healthy cell children. See it as a preschooling or reschooling, so to say. What is a relationship without a healthy foundation and proper communication? And what is a body? A body without healthy children and proper communication. Let raw food living assist us in this task, and we will definitely experience something more positive.